bread pakodas. The first thing I'm going to do is, these are already boiled potatoes and I have just sauteed in 1 teaspoon oil with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So they are done and they're cool now. So I'm just going to add a few ingredients. I'll add some salt, chaat masala, red chili powder, some ginger paste, some coriander leaves, and I'll just mix it. We'll take some bread slices and we'll just cut them into half. Now we'll prepare a thin gram flour batter. I think this is the trick for making the bread pakodas. 1 tablespoon of arasi mau or rice flour, that will make it extremely crispy, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, some red chili powder, some salt. Of course we can add some coriander leaves chopped. I'm just going to put some water and make a thinnish batter. I don't want to make a thick batter. The bread slice. Lots of cheese, lots of potato, and very crispy.